Hi everyone, welcome to Coffee Curves. In this video, I will be sharing a surprise romantic bedroom decoration idea where I will be making a bed canopy using just streamers. As always, if you like this video or if the video inspires you in any way, make sure to hit the like button and leave me a comment. If you happen to recreate this decoration at your home, don't forget to share pictures with me on Instagram or Facebook. Now let's get started. So for this decoration you mainly need some streamers and I have gone for red, pink and white. So first measure the height from the floor to the ceiling, add about 4 to 6 inches and then cut the streamers to that length. And the easiest way to do this would be to roll them out on the floor, cut them to the required length and then roll them in the opposite direction and cut them, and do this till you have your required number of streamers. Once the streamers are cut and ready, I'm going to be sticking sellotape on one end of the streamers. This step is optional, but I really feel that it gives the streamer a little bit of sturdiness and strength while handling them, and especially if you want to store them and use it for another decoration. In that case, it would be really helpful. Now before we start with the actual decoration, it would be best to lay out the bedsheet and be done with that, because later it might get a little bit tricky. Next, I'm going to start sticking the streamers to the ceiling right along the edge of the bed. The pattern in which I stuck the streamers to the ceiling is as follows. I started off with 2 red streamers, then 2 pink streamers, 2 white, 2 pink again and then finally 2 reds. So that makes up one set and this reaches the center of the bed. Now I am repeating the same set again and completing one side of the bed. Here I am using magic tape or scotch tape to stick the streamers to the ceiling. It's a really nice product and I love using them in most of my projects. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. Repeat these steps on all 4 sides of the bed. Now if you follow the same color and pattern that I am following, you will need a total of 32 red streamers, 32 pink streamers and 16 white streamers. Once you're done with this step, we are going to give it a canopy effect, and to do this we are going to start tying the streamers together. Tie each set of 10 streamers together in the way that I have shown. Next, using sellotape or scotch tape, I am going to secure each set of streamers to its respective corners and adjust the streamers a little bit by pulling them gently. So this is for the back set of streamers where you have a wall support or a headboard to stick them on. For the front set of streamers, all you have to do is tie both the corner set of streamers together with a piece of thread or yarn to make them stay in place. I am also adding these handmade paper flowers. Attach a piece of string or yarn with sellotape to the back of the flower and tie these to the corners. These are some of the DIYs that I made in one of my previous videos and I am using them to decorate the back wall. If you like any of these DIYs, be sure to check that video. I will link it in the description box below. Now place your pillows and decorative cushions. You can also add in another layer of bedsheet or blanket that goes with your color scheme. Now, what decoration is complete without the addition of some lights? I got these beautiful globe lights from Amazon recently and I instantly fell in love with them. These lights are not just pretty but very well made and sturdy. They have 8 different modes and come with a remote. I used only these lights for the nighttime lighting and the lighting was just right. So I added these lights on the ceiling with the help of sellotape and some lights along the bed. For the final touches, I am adding a few decorative pieces. This is also a DIY handmade paper hearts tree. It's in the same video that I mentioned before. I'm also using these artificial rose petals to make a heart. You could also use real roses to make a heart. Add in some artificial LED candles. These are a great way to have the candle effect without having to compromise on your safety. Our decoration is almost done now. Let's go take a look at how it looks. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and leave me a comment. I do a lot of design, decor and DIY related videos, so if that is something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves. And if you happen to recreate this decoration at your home, don't forget to share pictures with me on Instagram or Facebook. See you all soon with yet another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.